Hi, my name is Chris Geary. I'm a solutions consultant with the Jobs to Web team. During this brief presentation, I'm going to provide you with a high-level overview of the major functional areas that are included with the Jobs to Web platform. This slide speaks to where Jobs to Web fits into the overall recruiting strategy. You're all familiar with what an HRIS is. It's your system of record and system helping to manage things such as payroll and benefits and 401k. So that's really the system that's helping to serve employees. In addition, you're all familiar with what an applicant tracking system is. It's your system that's helping to manage your requisitions, managing things like workflow and compliance, and really helping to manage applicants through the hiring process. So your ATS is your system that's helping to serve applicants. But what system are you using to manage your recruiting marketing process? Most organizations are spending an awful lot of money and time doing things such as posting jobs on their career site, buying job board postings, buying recruiter licenses on job sites, hosting campus events, open houses, all sorts of things related to advertising jobs and attracting candidates. But the problem is that there really isn't a system that's helping organizations manage all of this. So that's where Jobs to Web comes into play. We become your recruitment marketing system, helping to provide a system to serve candidates. Before we get started into the functionality of Jobs to Web, I just wanted to spend a minute to tell you why our customers are really so excited about us. This report shows you an example of the type of data that we provide to our clients. And through our extensive reporting capabilities, clients have access to very detailed recruiting metrics and information that no other company in the world is able to provide. This information allows our clients to specifically pinpoint how each of their sourcing channels are working, from source to visit and all the way through to hire. Our reporting capabilities allow clients to take the guessing game out of their recruitment marketing strategy because we provide true visibility into how all of their sources are performing. And I love to share this comment from one of our clients. There are very few companies in the world who can show this kind of data. Having that kind of visibility blows my mind. So let's jump into the platform. So I'm going to walk through the following high-level areas: career site optimization, talent community, employee referrals, job distribution, search engine optimization, social networks, mobile recruiting, and finally reporting. So one of the first areas that we help our clients solve are problems related to career sites. And this slide really lists some of the main issues, or I guess complaints you would say, that we hear from some of our clients before implementing Jobs to Web. They often feel that their career site is difficult to navigate. It's not easy for candidates to find jobs. They may have limited branding or messaging around their organization and the benefits that they have at their organization. Typically, the application process is time-consuming. There's usually limited social network capabilities. So really, at the end of the day, most organizations feel that their career site lends to a confusing experience for their candidates. So this is one of the areas that we help solve. We provide career site optimization, and we really like to think that we bring career sites to life. So when we start to think about optimizing our clients' career sites, we want to make sure that we're providing a very rich and engaging experience for candidates. So you'll see here, this is an example of one of our clients, Good Life Fitness. We provide multiple ways for candidates to engage. There's quick calls to action. So regardless of how I'm trying to search for jobs, there's multiple paths that I can go down. You see that it's a fully branded and enhanced experience. We also offer the option to capture passive candidates through our talent community. And because we're hosting these career sites on behalf of our clients, as clients want to make changes going forward, we can make those changes very quickly and easily. And because of our extensive reporting capabilities, we provide clients total visibility to all of the traffic that we're helping to drive towards their career site. Another problem that we help solve is related to passive candidates. Typically, statistics show that 92% of candidates visiting your career site are passively looking and don't apply. And of the 8% that do go on to apply, 50% of those people drop off at some point during the application process. So what that means is that 96 out of every 100 people coming to your website don't go on to apply. And if you don't have a way to capture and engage those passive candidates, you're really losing out on a large population of people who are interested in looking at your jobs. So another thing that we help provide to our clients is a talent community. And what that is a private centralized database of all talent contacts. There's multiple ways for candidates to choose to opt in. If they do opt in, they just fill out a very quick and easy business card. Once they do that, the system is going to automatically send them daily branded emails with jobs that they're interested in watching. In addition, we're also going to generate alerts to your recruiters so that as talent community members are joining that match areas of interest for your recruiters will also automatically be alerted. And what the end result of this is that this talent community very quickly grows over time, allowing you to spend less money on external sources that you may be using to advertise your jobs. Another area that we help solve is related to employee referral marketing. Most companies don't have a system to automate the employee referral process. If they do, it's typically difficult to automatically notify employees when new jobs are posted, because usually it requires that candidates need to go out to the Career Center daily or weekly to watch as new jobs are being posted. So the solution that we provide through our employee referral marketing functionality is that it allows employees to sign up to receive automated alerts. What will happen is, as employees sign up, employees will indicate what jobs they're interested in watching, and anytime the company posts new jobs that match their area of interest, your employees will automatically receive automated emails that they can quickly and easily forward off to their friends, networks, and contacts. The system is going to track all of this on the back end, so we'll know every employee who referred someone, who the referring person was, and what they did when they came to your website. Did they join your talent community, or did they go on to apply for a position? This shows an example of Microsoft's employee referral program. What the system will do is generate an email to all of the Microsoft employees, allowing them to come to this nicely branded site. As a Microsoft employee, I could choose to sign up and indicate the jobs that I'm interested in watching. And as these jobs in my area of interest are posted, I'll automatically receive emails that I can forward on to my friends and contacts. And again, as my friends and contacts go on either to the Microsoft website and either join the talent community or apply for a position, it's all tracked on the back end. Another area that we help solve is related to job distribution. Oftentimes, recruiters are spending a lot of time trying to guess what job boards are most effective. They're typically posting to the same job boards over and over that they've always used without really having any visibility into how those sources are actually performing. So what we provide is full automated job distribution to all of the places that a company would want to advertise their jobs. So it goes much more beyond just posting jobs to job boards. We're also going to make sure that all of our clients' jobs are wired up for search engine optimization so that they show up on searches. We're going to make sure that we're automatically distributing those emails to the talent community members and employees to promote your employee referral marketing. We're going to make sure we're getting your jobs out to all of the correct job boards, niche sites, job aggregators. And so to kind of sum up this rather confusing slide here, the story of all of this is that organizations no longer have to worry about figuring out and taking time posting all of their jobs and advertising all of their jobs to all of these sites. We wire up all of their jobs and automatically distribute their jobs to all of the appropriate places. The next problem that we solve is related to search engine optimization. Typically today, candidates go to search engines first when they're searching for a job. So in these examples here, we see a candidate searching on Google for Manhattan management jobs or Minneapolis developer jobs. There's actually approximately 300 million job searches are performed monthly on all of the major search engines. But the problem is that the search engines don't have the capability to peek inside your applicant tracking system to pull back your jobs in these searches. So the solution that we provide with Jobs to Web is we deploy a search engine optimization strategy with all of your jobs. We create talent landing pages created with search-friendly terms that are searchable on all of the search engines. We also include like terms that we kind of hide in the background of these talent landing pages so that we know, based on the type of job or keyword search that someone is doing to find your jobs, we want to make sure that all of those like terms or synonyms are also added again, enhancing the chances that your jobs will be pulled back if someone's doing a search on a search engine. So the result of this is that it really opens exposure of all of your jobs across all of the major search engines. The next problem that we solve is helping clients figure out a great strategy in terms of posting jobs to social sites. So most companies, they're not able to launch a scalable strategy in terms of social media. They're not able to measure effectively or monitor social network activity, and they're not able to build applications or data feeds that are necessary to deploy a comprehensive strategy. So another solution that we provide with the Jobs to Web platform is automatic distribution to all of the social networks. We kind of like to say that, if you can think of a social site, we've been there, we've done that. We have automated feeds that we can set up to all of the social channels. We have API integration capabilities, allowing jobs and widgets to be embedded on social sites. And again, everything, all of the traffic that we're driving from your jobs that are being published to any of these social networks, it's all tracked and measured on the back end. Another problem that we help solve is related to a mobile experience. Today nearly 80% of professionals check email on a mobile device. And I like this statistic by Gartner. Gartner predicts that by 2013, more people will search the internet on their mobile device versus their home computer. But the problem is that most employers don't have a mobile-friendly career site. So with Jobs to Web, we provide a mobile-optimized career site. It includes a simple interface. It's very easy for candidates if they're searching for jobs on their mobile device. They can search for jobs, they can see job categories and listings, they can see job descriptions. They could choose to join the talent community right from their mobile device or start the apply process. And again, it's all measured and tracked on the back end. And then finally, as I mentioned earlier in the presentation, we provide very extensive reporting capabilities. And this is another example of a report that's included in the application. And as you can see, it's really showing a sourcing funnel from how many visitors are coming to your site, how many people are clicking to apply, how many completed applications, and all the way through to really, how many visits does it take to make that one hire. So not only can we show you this information in total, but we can actually break this information down so that we're providing to our clients this same sourcing information across all of the specific sourcing channels they're using to advertise their jobs. So it really helps clients start to be able to figure out a recruiting marketing strategy to really help them build successful results. So to sum up, we talked about the functionality that's included with the Jobs to Web platform, which includes career site optimization, talent community, employee referral marketing, job distribution, search engine optimization, social network distribution and integration, mobile-enabled career site, and extensive reporting. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you so much.